Hi members, Miss Heidi here, and today I'm going to show you a fun magic trick. So let's get started. So for our trick today, it's going to be called multiplying money. And I'm first going to show you the trick, and then I will show you how it happens. So let's try it out. All right, so I have my plates here. I have my 2 dimes. You can use any coins you'd like today. And I'm going to multiply these and make 4 dimes using magic. So first I'll show you my hands. Nothing in my hands, nothing up my sleeves, no coins. All right. And I'm going to pick up the plate and then I'm going to multiply my dimes. Ready? And magic, magic, magic. And now I have 4. Do you think you can figure out how the trick happened? All right, now I'm going to explain to you how the trick worked. So here I have just a plate and I have my dime, but this trick uses a hidden compartment. So if I move all of my dimes here off of my plate and flip it over, you can see this little pocket here that I just made out of paper. So I just used a piece of paper, folded in half, and then taped it so these sides were all closed, and I just had a little pocket here, and flip it over, and then you add however many coins you'd like in your pocket, add your coins to your plate, and then you're going to magically put your hand here and here, slide these coins over into your hand, and at the same time, take the ones out of the compartment. And you are multiplying money. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!